Hello foodies and welcome back. My name is Christopher Fread and welcome to the Opa Vlog, redefining Greek cuisine, live from my studio. And today we are talking all about fennel. If you didn't watch last week's episode, do me a favor, stop what you're doing and go watch episode 4, all about Cahaba Herbal Outpost, for all the information on some of the product we're going to be using in today's recipe video. Fennel has a licorice and star anise flavor profile, and fennel comes from the same species as the carrot family. A fun fact for you, in ancient times in Greece, they believed to have a fennel tea that gave courage to the fighters before a battle. And also in India, they actually coat fennel seeds in sugar, and it's used as an after-meal snack and a breath mint. Fennel is used in Greek cuisine through fresh salads, stews, whole roasted fish, and even used in our seasoning for our pork. So today's recipe video, we are making a fresh crudo with fennel and citrus and fresh Florida snapper. Crudo is an Italian word for raw, and we're going to show you how to do that step by step right here. Now we're going to show you how to make the Florida snapper crudo. The recipe is on ChristopherFread.com under Opa Vlog. Let's get started. We are going to add our lemon juice with a little bit of the Dijon mustard. We're going to whisk that together, and then we are going to slowly stream in our olive oil. So it is completely incorporated. We're going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Give that a quick stir. As you can see, we have all of our ingredients ready to go. We have our sliced Florida snapper. We have our torched orange segments. We have our micro fennel, our dressing, our parsley aioli, our shaved fennel, pistachios, cypress spike sea salt, and Greek olive oil. We are ready to plate the dish. We want to take a little bit of the dressing and toss it with our shaved fennel, season with salt and pepper. We're going to give that a quick little stir, set that aside. Now we're going to grab our snapper, put it into a bowl with a little bit of dressing as well, season with salt and pepper. Give that a stir, and we're going to let that sit aside. And now we are going to grab a plate and we're going to plate our dish. We have our parsley aioli on the plate. Now we're going to add a little bit of fennel with a piece of the snapper up top. We're going to add a couple other pieces here and there to make the plate look appealing across. Now we're going to add our orange segments. We're going to add our micro fennel. We're going to put a little bit more of our parsley aioli on the plate with our pistachio dust and our cypress spike sea salt. And then we're going to drizzle with a little bit of Greek olive oil on top. And just like that, you have the Florida snapper crudo. Hi everybody, I just want to say a quick thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe, comment, share. I'm very curious about what you guys like to use fennel in at home, so leave your answers in the comment below. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.